Hey guys, it's me Noelle and welcome back to my channel. I am back with another Wacom One video. Today I'm going to show you guys 3 ways to use your Wacom One tablet. Some of these I've been using on a daily basis and Wacom One has made it very easy, very simplified. I just absolutely love how this tablet is wireless, cordless. I feel like you could take this literally wherever on the go. So yes, in this video I'm going to show you some ways I've been using my Wacom One and hopefully it can give you ideas on how you can use yours. Before we get into this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe button and let me know in the comments which one of these ways is your favorite. So the first way I use my Wacom tablet, and definitely probably one of the most popular ways, is for digital illustration. So if you haven't yet gotten a chance to see my last Wacom One video, I show you guys how to use Adobe Illustrator to draw this super cute little ice cream cone. In the video, I demonstrate some of the brushes and show you guys just how easy it is to use this tablet for all of your drawing needs. Having a tablet really changes the game as a digital illustrator or a graphic designer because you are no longer restricted to just your laptop and your tiny little trackpad on your laptop. You have this entire tablet to freely draw and it really makes things easier. Not to mention the ways you can elevate your drawings with this pen. The technology behind this pen I still don't understand, but all I know is that it has a ton of cool features. The pen detects pressure sensitivity, tilt, and it really can make your drawing come to life. The second way that I use my Wacom One tablet is for photo editing and YouTube thumbnails. So I'm actually going to show you guys how to create a thumbnail right now using the Wacom One tablet. I really enjoy making travel vlogs and my boyfriend and I recently went to Chicago, so video on that coming soon. I'm going to show you guys how I create my thumbnails in Adobe Illustrator. So I already have the file set up. This is a 1280 by 720 pixel canvas and I have the images that I'm going to use on the right side here, so I'm just going to drag and drop. Hello? Oh my goodness, it's ginormous. Okay, my sister took this picture. My sister was also on this trip and I'm stealing it for my thumbnail. So I'm just resizing this image to fit my canvas. Then I'm going to take this second image. Okay, once again, huge. That's me and Ruben. Hey, boo. And then I'm just going to decrease the size. I honestly don't know how this is going to turn out. It's probably going to look like we're floating in space. My idea is to cut around us and then have the skyline be our background. I'm going to lock this layer for now and I'm just going to hide it for a second so it's not too in your face. Now this is where the Wacom One comes in. I'm going to go to the left hand panel and select the pen tool. With the pen tool selected and using my Wacom pen, I'm going to go around us and create an outline. So I don't really mind the jaggedy look. I think it kind of makes it look like a scrapbook. So this doesn't have to be perfect. Illustrator shortcut, you can press your spacebar and the hand will appear and you could just drag your image. Get in the armpit. So there we go, we created a path outline. Going to the selection tool right here, you're going to select both things. So make sure you have your outline and your photo selected. You're going to right click and select make clipping mask. So I'm going to reveal the background again. Whoa guys, we're in Chicago. Not loving that so much. I feel like we kind of get lost in the background. So I'm going to add a little bit of stroke. Go to window, appearance, select this hamburger menu, add new stroke, select Pathfinder, add, there we go. And I think I want white. Honestly, not my best work, but you guys get the idea. I think I'm gonna add some text to kind of spice her up a bit. That is basically how I make my YouTube thumbnails using the Wacom One to simplify the process and make cutting out those shapes so much easier. Moving on to the third and final way I like to use my Wacom One is to use it like a composition notebook. And what I mean by that is that there's so many ways you can use a composition notebook. Taking notes, sketching ideas, making to-do lists, the list goes on. I really like to write down my ideas and make to-do lists. So when I have like a new idea for jewelry that I'm making, for example, I make jewelry by the way, peep my store, I like to sketch out the design first. I'm going to show you guys one app I really like to use. It's called Evernote. There is a free version, but you can unlock more features if you pay, but I just stick with the free version. FYI, taking taking notes on a tablet definitely takes some practice because you're writing on this tablet surface, but what's showing up is on your screen, so it's a little bit of a different experience if you're new to it. Here is the Evernote app. On the left here, I'm going to select New Sketch, and then it brings up this really nice page with a dotted interface, which by the way you can change on the top here. You can have bigger dots, lines, even a grid if you'd like, or even none. I like to sketch out product concepts before I start creating them. I had this idea to create strawberry dangling earrings. I think that'd be super cute, or even create like a whole fruit dangles collection. So just having a place where I can ideate freely, sketch, draw, write, all of that in one place is really nice. I feel like having these note-taking apps is really nice because it's a lot more approachable than having a full-blown like digital art studio program like Illustrator or Photoshop. Could be kind of intimidating, especially if you don't use it a lot. I just created my sketch for a potential product that I want to make, and then I can also annotate my sketch. So that's the beauty of just having this as a digital notebook. Dang, that's kind of cute. I might actually make that. So those were 3 ways that I like to use my Wacom One tablet, and I hope I gave you guys ideas on how to use yours. There are so many ways you can use this tablet. These are just a few. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're liking the Wacom content that I've been creating. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!